The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, opened its Walang Gutom Kitchen for the hungry and homeless in Pasay City. The food bank was a repurposed former Pogo hub. Its supplies are from the food surplus of restaurants and other food companies. DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian assures the public that the free food being served are screened and ensured to be health satisfying for customers.
Kesa itapon lang yung pagkain, maraming nagugutom, ibagsak nila dito, kami naman ang magsisigurado na yung mga nagugutom nating kababayan makakakuha ng pagkain araw-araw.
O, diba?
This is
Dating old, yung Pogo Hub.
Oo,
okay kung
na-repurpose.
ganyan yung gagawin, hindi yung
This is
matatayo ng sariling Pogo.
This is a very good concept or
Initiative,
idea. Kasi if you remember, all throughout, ako, growing up, every time mapapadaan ka sa closing ng McDonald's, kunyari Jollibee, or whatever fast food chain,
Di ba lagi natin tinatanong yun?
You will see them taking out yung mga burgers nila. Yung mga chicken, hindi na talaga yon kasi uncovered yun. Pero yung mga sandwiches nila, they will remove them from the restaurant. Sas kunyari hihingiin mo to donate it, ayaw nila ibigay kasi they cannot vouch for the quality. 'Di ba? They'd rather donate daw on their own time, clean. Pero ang sinasabi ng iba kasi, ang bagong protocol is kunyari naggumawa sila ng 1,000 burgers ng 8 o'clock ng gabi, ng close ng 10, 500 lang na benta, hindi pa laps. Pwede na i-repurpose straight to the food hub. Pwede na ipadala yan doon.
Sayang kasi.
Oo. Tapos as long as they're following yung HACCP guidelines, yung HACCP guidelines naman ng holding.
Ano naman sabi ni Secretary
Yes, Secretary,
Gatchalian,
they can guarantee that. So yun, this is a very good idea. Lahat ng mga food restaurants, babagsak nila dito sa repurposed Pogo hubs and then they could give it to people.
Just make sure nga na healthy ito at pwede hindi naman perwisyo dun sa mga kakain. Instead na ma-waste. Ang dami kasi nga, di ba? Bakit? Ano titignan mo? Ang daming mga nasasayang na mga pagkain. So this is a good
Ang galing,
idea.
nakat ni Angel.
Yes.
May strawberry filling pa ata sa loob.
Yeah, it is. Oo, strawberry yan.